Hey everyone, this is Ritika and today's video is all about this beautiful makeup look. I did my own makeup at my sister's wedding and you can see this is how I looked and I really liked how my makeup turned out. And I started with using this primer from the Insight and the Insight Cosmetics, and I really love the primer. It hydrates your skin, it fills up your pores, and it's a really beautiful primer, plus it's very affordable. And then I use this L'Oreal Infallible foundation and my shade in this is 106, and this is such a beautiful foundation guys, especially if you have combination skin or oily skin. This will just make your face look so matte and hydrating as well, and this can last for about 12 to 14 hours, and I'm not even kidding, this lasted me the entire night. Then I use this concealer from LA Pro Girl. It's a very beautiful concealer, it matches my skin tone as well. I'm going to mention the shade name in the description, and I'm using it over my lid. I'm just spreading it really nicely to provide a nice base for my eyeshadows to pop out, and then I'm using it all over my pimple scar and around my mouth area as well, as there's a little bit of discoloration, so I'm just applying it all over there, and then I'm going to be blending it really nicely. And this is a very beautiful, very light weighted concealer, so if you're looking to buy a very natural looking concealer, then you can definitely consider it. And then I'm going to be using another concealer. This is from Maybelline, and this is I'm using to highlight my cheekbones and to highlight the contours of my face. So I'm going to be applying it on the bridge of my nose, and I'm going to be blending it really nicely. So what it does, it gives a very high definition to your face, it lifts up your cheekbones and all, so that's why I'm going to be doing that. Then I'm going to be using this loose powder from K Beauty, and it's in the shade Banana, and I'm really loving the color of this loose powder and the texture of this loose powder, as I have combination skin, so it really soaks up the oil. Then I'm going to be using this Sugar palette. It's a contour palette and it's in the shade Woody Wonder. Then I'm going to be defining my nose as well, because I think I need to define my nose. So I always define my nose whenever I'm doing makeup. And then I'm going to be taking another palette from Sugar. It's a blush palette, and it's also a very beautiful shade, and I think this shade will go with each and every skin tone, and I think it looks really beautiful. And I'm going to be smiling and applying it on the top parts of my face. As you can see, I'm also applying it on my nose and on my chin. And then I'm going to be taking this Wet n Wild eyebrow kit, and it's a very beautiful kit to fill in your eyebrows, and this is how I fill my eyebrows. And then I'm going to be using this natural finish makeup spray from Wet n Wild, and I think it's a very nice affordable makeup spray. Before that I used to use the pack one, but it got finished. And then I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild palette. Everyone talks about the Rose in the Air palette, but I really am a fan, or I'm really loving using this palette, and I am just forgetting the name of this palette, but I'm going to be mentioning that in the description box. And yeah, so I have used only 3 colors. I just use a lighter color for transitioning, and then I'm using this brush that I got from Swiss Beauty, and I'm just applying it on my crease, and I'm blending it really nicely and applying it onto the lower lid as well to give it a complete look to my eye. I'm no expert, I just like to do, and I just know how to do simple makeup, and this is what I'm doing. And then I'm going to be taking this golden shimmery color and I'm going to be applying it onto the inner corners of my eye and onto the middle part of my eye, and then I'm going to be blending it towards the outer section of my eye with using this blending brush. And then I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, and I also use these pack eyelashes and this Miss Claire glue, eyelash glue. And these eyelashes are my favorite guys. I have tried multiple eyelashes from pack, but these eyelashes look so natural and so nice. I mean, of course you can see that you have applied eyelashes, but still they don't look over the top or they don't look too dramatic. Then I'm going to be using this beautiful lip color that I have. This is from NYX, and this is in the shade Copenhagen, and I'm really loving the color of this lipstick. Then I'm going to be using the Sugar lipstick. It's a very beautiful fuchsia pink color, but it's a little bit drying on your lips, so always make sure to apply another lipstick as a base underneath. And then I'm going to be using this Body Cupid body mist in the fragrance Lavender. Lavenders instantly calms you down, and they give you just a feeling of relaxing, and I really love using lavender to relax and to feel calm. Body mists are super light on your body, they just feel super airy, and you can look at the size of the body mist as well. It's so tiny, you can easily fit it anywhere, so really love using this lavender fragrance. And yeah, this is all about my makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoyed and find this video helpful, and if you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well for further more videos, and I'll see you guys next time.